Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tech Take. Today we're doing another unboxing of an M.2 Nvme SSD. I got this one for a reason because it has some pretty good read and write speed, and it has a really decent price, which I'll put in the video description. So the maximum sequential reading speed of 3300 megabits per second and maximum sequential writing speed of 2700 megabits per second, which is pretty awesome for flash drive that I got for. It's really inexpensive compared to what you pay for other brands like Samsung and some pretty expensive drives you get. It's hard to find this drive on Amazon. You really have to. I wasn't searching for this, I just saw this in one of the recommended buys. I just clicked on it and I was like, wow, the specs look great. I read some reviews and I was even more impressed, like, wow, for such a bargain price, like, it's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna unbox this, give you guys a crystal dismark score of how well it does on my system, and so you guys could probably go check it out and get one for yourself. Believe me, I don't think you have any regrets considering the reviews I've read on this drive and how well it performs. So let's open the box and, well, see what's inside. Okay, finally. First of all, I have to say this is better packed than the 1 terabyte drive I got from Adata, which had a pretty, well, I put it was packed in an economy package. So let's see. Wow, pretty. ACER put quite some thought into packing this SSD, I have to say. They did put a lot of thought into this. Most companies barely even do that anymore. They just put it in a tiny plastic pack and ship it off to you. The time is taking me to open this tells you how much effort they put into this. Oh, don't want to lose that. Okay, put it back in here. Okay. There's the product manual on how to install. I believe this comes in multiple languages. So this is the flash itself. Hope you're not stuck in there. Okay, there's no heatsink on this SSD. To be honest, I don't really think you need an heatsink for PCIe Gen 3 SSD, to be honest. Most of the Gen 4 seem to do pretty fine without an heatsink, so I don't think getting an heatsink with a Gen 3 SSD is actually worth it. Is this bent? Kind of looks bent to my eyes, but I think it's okay. If you can see the SSD controller, it's integrated. I believe it's the same one from the reviews I read. So I don't think ACER is doing some, how will I put it now, what most manufacturers have been found capable of doing, whereby they will use power performing memory drives without informing their customers, and the customers get significantly worse results. So I don't think ACER has been found capable of doing that yet. This is called the ACER FA100. This is a 512 gigs SSD. So it comes with a, not this tiny stuff you see in this part of the SSD. It's bolts to hold it in place just in case you've misplaced one. It's quite nice of them to add a little bolt to it, you know. That quite helps because some folks might not have that ready, and it's just one little thing not to worry about anymore. So that's it, guys. It's pretty awesome experience. It's really light. It's an SSD. This is Quick Tech Take. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.